How to streamline product searches and selections on Hik-ePartner app. On the products pages in the Hik-ePartner app, you can find comprehensive product information at any time. You can directly enter the product category, use the filter, and check out any product you are interested in. Or you can directly search the product name or model number. For example, let's search DSU02. When you enter the product description page, you will see a variety of information such as product videos, posters, and images. Drop down the page and you can read more detailed product descriptions, parameters, and recommendations for similar products. At the bottom of the page, you will see the available documents related to the product, such as a quick start guide, user manual, data sheet, and more. Click and download these documents and share them on other platforms or save them to your phone. Confused about several similar products and choosing the right one? Use the product comparison function. Choose several products you want to compare in the product list and click the +VS button below them. Then click the VS in the upper right corner of the page. You can compare up to 4 products at the same time. Click Start VS. On the comparison page, you can compare the various parameters and functions of the products. You will find comparisons in categories like camera, audio, interface, general, accessory, and function. Click Hide Same to filter out the parameters that are identical. Or click the cross at the top right of the product to delete the product you don't need. This will be a great resource to help you select the most suitable product for your application. Hik-ePartner, Security Business Assistant in the palm of your hand.